Hello friends, how are you? It's been long I have not uploaded any videos. Actually, I was in Odisha for almost 1 year. For my schooling, I never got that long time to stay in my village. But one good thing happened because of Corona. I can able to stay that long time in my village. I had very quality time. So I have decided to share some facts about Odisha so you can know more about it. So let's start it. Odisha is widely known for its natural beauty and cultural heritage. In ancient time, its name was Utkala. Utkala means land of Utkustakala. In our national anthem, there is Dravida Utkala Banga. This Utkala is Odisha. Its capital is Bhubaneswar, also known as City of Temple. It is ranked number 4 in Smart City Survey. Now, Odisha is one of the fastest growing states of India. Different minerals like iron, bauxite, coal, graphite, gold, gemstone, diamond are available in Odisha. 50% of iron is export from Odisha. Paradip Port is situated in Jagatsinghpur district. It is one of the leading ports in the country. It has export 100 tons of seafood item. Odisha seafood export reaches 3,000 crore mark in 2019. Hirakud Dam is situated in Sambalpur district. Hirakud is the longest man-made dam in the world. It is built across the Mahanadi River. It was a major multi-purpose river valley project after India's independence. The dam is a significant source of power generation for our country. Chilka is the largest lake of India and largest brackish water lagoon in the world. Brackish means this water have more salt than fresh water, but not as much as sea water. It has been listed in UNESCO World Heritage Site. The lake hosts over 160 species of birds every year in migratory season. Similpal is a national park and a tiger reserve in Mayurbhanj district. The park is home of 1076 species of plants. Not only plants but many species of mammals, birds and reptiles have been found here. Most importantly, in this national park, 96 species of orchids have been identified. Dhanu Jatra is an open-air theatrical performance celebrated annually in Baragarh district. It is world's largest open-air theatre. This Jatra is about the mythological story of Lord Krishna and his demon uncle Kansa. Konark Sun Temple is a good example of art and architecture. Dholi is very famous place of Odisha's Buddhist heritage. It is constructed on top of the Dholi hills, close to bank of Daya river. It was built to mark the Kalinga War that was fought along the Daya river bank. The war was so terrible and huge loss of life that changed the heart of Emperor Ashoka, who was on the war. The war made him question the price of his victory, and he converted from Chanda Soka to Dharma Soka, and he turned a Buddhist and embraced with Ahimsa. Jagannath Temple is in Puri district. It is one of the Char Dham. It is a belief that out of the Char Dham, Lord Vishnu eats food in this dham, so bhaktas also called him Bhogakhiya. The temple kitchen is the largest kitchen in India. It has the capacity to cook for lakh of devotees on a day. 500 cook and 300 assistant works for making Mahaprasada. There is no shortage of Mahaprasada, no matter how much people are there. Mahaprasada is cooked only in earthen pot, using firewood as fuel. The strange thing is 7 pots are kept one over the other, and the food kept in the top pot is cooked fast. Friends, luckily on last February I have witnessed this thing and it was amazing. Because of its geographical position, Odisha is a cyclone-prone state. In 1999, Odisha faced the super cyclone. In cyclone, Odisha lost huge life and wealth. From 1999 to 2021, now Odisha has mastered how to control natural disaster. UN has praised to our Honorable CM Mr. Naveen Patnaik for his well-resourced disaster management authority that saves lives during natural calamity. So friends, that's all for today. I will come with more information. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.